HDD's explained expert level. A HDD is a non-volatile storage device that stores data on rapidly rotating disks known as platters, most commonly spinning at either 5,400 RPM or 7,200 RPM. The faster they spin, the faster they can read and write data. The platters are divided into small chunks called sectors, each of 512 bytes. That's where the data is actually stored. The platter is coated with a magnetic material such as iron, cobalt, or nickel. This is so the read and write head can detect the polarity of the magnetic field by sensing tiny electrical currents generated by moving over the magnetic platter. When the head wants to write data to a sector on the platter, it sends a current through a coil on the head, generating a magnetic field. The magnetic field is used to align the polarity of the sector on the platter to represent the desired data. When the head wants to read the data, it senses the polarity of the magnetic domains and converts that into an electronic signal, which is interpreted the same way as the original data. You may have noticed when playing with magnets as a child that you don't need to plug a magnet in. This means magnetic storage, unlike electronic storage, does not require power in order to maintain the stored data, so you can turn the computer off and the HDD will keep your data safe. And that is